Hello, my dear students, second sem students. So today I am going to teach you M2. M2 means Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So here fifth model. The fifth model is numerical methods. The numerical methods syllabus is finite differences, interpolation using Newton's forward and backward differences formulae, Newton's divided difference and Lagrange's formulae, and all formulae without proof, only examples. So just you write the formula and simplify. Solution of polynomial and transcendental equations, Newton, Raphson and Regula-Falsy methods. So only formula here also, illustrative examples. So this is first part, and the second part is numerical integration. So Simpson's 1/3 and 3/8 rule and Wedley's rule, and these three rules are, so rule 3 means 1/3, 3/8 and Wedley's. So these three are also without proof, only problems are there. So this is your syllabus. So now you can start numerical method. The numerical method means, the definition of numerical method is, numerical methods are the methods for the solving problems numerically, that is in terms of numbers, by using computers or calculators. It gives approximate, in other words it is an technique to find approximate solution to difficult problems using simple operations. And second one, numerical analysis is not only a science but also an art, because we choose appropriate procedure to a given problem yields good solutions. So here what is root? Root means a number m. So number m means that number is real or complex, any number is called a root. Solution of an equation f of x is equal to 0. If f of m is equal to 0, then we say that m satisfies the equation f of x is equal to 0, or m is a 0 of the function f of x. For example, the pi by 2 means 90. Pi by 2 is a root of equation cos x is equal to 0. And what about x value here? 90 means pi by 2. The cos of pi by 2 is 0, therefore cos 90 is 0, therefore pi by 2 is a 0 of the function f of x is equal to cos x. The next, numerical solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. So transcendental equation, algebraic equation means any equation is equal to 0. For example, the equation f of x is equal to 0 is called an algebraic equation if it contains algebraic quantities like x, x square, x cube, x raised to 4, x raised to 5, etc. Okay, so these are the simple. We can write these examples. First one is the cubic equation, x cube minus 4x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0, or x raised to 4 plus x cube is equal to 32. So these are the examples. So next one is, if the given equation contains non-algebraic quantities, trigonometric, exponential, logarithmic functions like e raised to x, log x, sin x, tan x, etc. are called as the transcendental equations. Okay, so these are the non-algebraic quantities. Non-algebraic means that is the in terms of trigonometric means sin x, tan x, cos x, like that. And another one, exponential means e raised to x, logarithmic means log x functions are called the transcendental equations. For example, x e raised to x minus 2 is equal to 0, tan x is equal to 2x, x log x minus 12 is equal to 0, cos x minus 1.3 x is equal to 0, e raised to x minus x is equal to 2. Then next we can see the forward differences. So forward differences means, suppose y is equal to f of x has the following values of x. So here one table is there, one upper table means first row is x values and second row is y values. So x values are x0, x1, x2, x3 up to so on, it is xn. Then similarly y values are corresponding, x0 is y0, x1 is y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 like that up to xn yn. So we have to set these values as follows. These values are follows means, so we can call it is delta. So delta means forward difference, the delta means forward difference, delta y naught. First we have to find the delta y naught value. So how we can find the delta y naught value is y1 minus y naught. Y1 minus y naught means next number minus previous number, y1 minus y naught, y naught. This is delta y naught. Then we want delta y1, that is y2 minus y1. So we want delta y2, this is y3 minus y2, and what about delta y3 is y4 minus y3, so on. Then delta y0, delta y1, delta y2 are called first forward differences. Second forward differences are denoted by delta square. Delta is first forward differences, delta square is second forward differences. Delta square y0 same, delta y1 minus delta y0, delta square y1 is equal to delta y2 minus delta y1, delta square y2 is equal to delta y3 minus delta y2. In general we can write delta square yn is equal to the next number yn, next number is delta yn plus 1, this one yn plus 1 minus delta yn. So here where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 like we can substitute. Similarly we denote third, fourth, fifth forward differences. For example, third is there delta cube y0, delta cube y1, delta cube y2 like that, and fourth means delta raised to 4 y1, delta 4 is to y0, delta 4 is to y1, delta 4 is to y2 like that. So these are the, we can find the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, so on. So we can find the forward differences, Newton forward differences. So these forward differences are usually arranged in a tabular column, are called forward difference table. So this is this one. These forward differences are usually arranged in the tabular column, are called forward difference table. So this is the table. First differences, this is second differences, third, fourth, like that. We have to find these values. So we know that delta y0 find is y1 minus y0, delta y1 means y2 minus y1, delta y2 means y3 minus y2 like that. So delta square y0 is delta y1 minus delta y0, delta square y1 is delta y2 minus delta y1 like that. And we want delta cube y0 is delta square y1 minus delta square y0, delta cube y1 is del square y2 minus del square y1, and delta 4 raised to y0 is del cube y1 minus del cube y0. So these are the, find the values and arranged in this format, where delta y0, delta square y0, delta cube y0, delta raised to 4 y0 are called forward differences, means these values are forward differences. Okay, thank you. So next video we can see the what is the backward differences, this is the forward differences. Okay, thank you.